Across ancient landscapes from India to Africa, nestled in the soil, grows a plant with a golden glow and powerful healing properties. This is turmeric, nature's golden miracle. In today's episode of Nature's Prescription, we're going deeper than ever into this remarkable root, its history, its healing compounds, and how you can make it a powerful part of your daily life. The ancient roots of turmeric. Turmeric, scientifically known as Curcuma longa, is a perennial herb native to South Asia, especially India and parts of Southeast Asia. Its vibrant golden yellow rhizomes, the underground stems, have been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic, Siddha, and Unani medicine. In Sanskrit, turmeric is called haridra, which means yellow or golden. In Swahili, it's known as manjano, reflecting its rich color. Ancient Ayurvedic texts reference turmeric as a purifying agent, both physically and spiritually. Archaeological evidence shows turmeric was used in Indian rituals and food dating back over 4,000 years. In fact, it was so valuable in ancient times, it was considered a sacred spice for protection and healing. The power within, curcumin, and more. But what gives turmeric its healing power? The answer lies in its bioactive compounds, the most important being curcumin, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Curcumin only makes up about 3% of turmeric by weight, but it is incredibly powerful. Here's what curcumin does in the body. Blocks inflammatory molecules like NF-κB, boosts antioxidant enzymes like glutathione crosses the blood-brain barrier to fight neurodegeneration, modulates gut microbiota, increases BDNF, a brain growth hormone. But there's a catch. Curcumin is poorly absorbed by the body on its own. That's why it's usually paired with piperine, the active compound in black pepper, which enhances absorption by up to 2,000%. A global herb with cultural impact. Turmeric has been woven into the cultural and spiritual fabric of many societies. In Hindu weddings, turmeric paste is applied to the bride and groom's skin for purification. In cooking, it's the base of curries, sauces, and medicinal teas across Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. In beauty, it's used in face masks for radiant skin. In traditional medicine, it was a go-to for wounds, coughs, liver cleansing, and detoxification. Transition scene, soft golden glow with text.
Reduces chronic inflammation. Chronic low-level inflammation is a silent killer, contributing to heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and arthritis. Turmeric, through curcumin, blocks key inflammatory molecules like cytokines and COX-2 enzymes. Test Tube 1 study published in Oncogene found that curcumin is among the most powerful anti-inflammatory agents, comparable to pharmaceutical drugs, but without side effects. Light bulb daily use may relieve pain and stiffness in conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, fibromyalgia. Brain 2. Boosts brain function and mood. Turmeric is a natural nootropic. It enhances brain function by increasing levels of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports neuron growth. Brain benefits include improved memory, reduced risk of Alzheimer's, better mood and reduced depression. Barchart, a randomized trial published in the Journal of Affective Disorders, showed turmeric supplementation significantly reduced symptoms of major depressive disorder in just 6 weeks. Red Heart 3. Protects the heart. Curcumin improves endothelial function, the health of the thin membrane lining your blood vessels. This helps reduce the risk of high blood pressure, atherosclerosis, blood clots. Stethoscope, a study in drugs and R&D, found that turmeric extract was as effective as atorvastatin, a common statin, in improving cholesterol levels. Microbe 4. Strengthens immunity and gut health. Your immune system and gut health are deeply connected. Turmeric helps with both. Acts as an antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal. Modulates the gut microbiome. Enhances liver detoxification. Chart increasing in lab tests, turmeric showed significant resistance against pathogens like E. coli, Candida, and Staphylococcus. Fork and knife with plate 5. Helps with digestion and liver detox. Traditional healers have long used turmeric to treat bloating, gas, and indigestion. It stimulates bile production, which is crucial for digesting fats. It also helps flush toxins from the liver and is being studied as a potential support for fatty liver disease. Test tube 6. Cancer-fighting potential. Although more research is needed, early studies show that turmeric inhibits the growth of tumor cells, promotes cancer cell death, apoptosis, prevents angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels in tumors. It's especially being studied for colon, breast, and pancreatic cancers. Now that we know the power of turmeric, let's explore the best ways to incorporate it into your life safely, and get the most from every spoonful. Teacup without handle 1. Golden milk, haldi dud. A delicious, warming drink made by mixing 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon cinnamon, pinch of black pepper, 1 cup warm plant-based milk. Optional, honey, cardamom, ginger. This calming drink is excellent at night and aids digestion, immunity, and sleep. Bowl with spoon 2. Turmeric smoothies. Add half a teaspoon turmeric powder to your favorite green smoothie. Pair with mango, banana, coconut milk, or chia seeds. Don't forget black pepper. Shallow panna food 3. Cooking. Sprinkle turmeric into curries, stews, rice dishes, roasted veggies, egg scrambles. Turmeric is fat-soluble, so cook it with a healthy oil, like olive or coconut oil, to help absorption. Pill 4. Supplements. If you need a therapeutic dose, consider turmeric capsules with piperine. Look for trusted brands with third-party lab testing. Recommended daily dose of curcumin. 500 to 1000 mg per day, ideally with meals. Warning 5. Warnings and interactions. White heavy checkmark safe in food amounts. Use caution when taking blood thinners or diabetes medication, pregnant or breastfeeding, having gallbladder disease. Clipboard: always consult your doctor before starting high-dose turmeric therapy. From ancient temples to modern labs, turmeric has proven to be one of nature's most powerful healers. It nourishes, protects, and uplifts the body from the inside out. Start small, a teaspoon in your tea or food, and let your body rediscover what it means to heal naturally. This is not a trend. This is tradition. This is truth. This is nature's prescription.